Hey everybody, Mike Mayrand here. I just finished a branding workshop with a gentleman by the name of Jason Knight. He runs a business called Move by Design, and long story short, I wanted to rebrand my business and really focus in on the message I'm trying to deliver to the people that I want to help in my advice business. And so I saw some of Jason's work. I was very impressed, and I had this really good intuition that we would connect. And so I reached out. We've just had this day, and I have to say I am super pumped with the direction that I'm going in and what he's helped me really hone in on. And you know when you meet somebody and you're like, you have a conversation, and then it just keeps going, and there's so much commonality, and you're having such a great time, and you look at your watch and you're like, man, it's like we've been together for 8 hours just talking. It was exactly like that the whole day. There was just so much creative back and forth. It's almost, I feel like I've met my creative animal spirit. Seriously, the best thing about the day was and being that I am creative, I have a music background. It was like this great partnership where all these ideas were coming out on the table, and he was really receptive to everything I was saying, and he really asked the right questions to let me just spill my guts out. And the beauty with that was every time I did that, he was just jotting down all the key points and everything that was coming out of all the emotion and passion that I was sharing with him about how I want to deliver advice and how I want to help small business owners. Jason, kudos, you are amazing. I really thank you for the day. I got so much out of it, and I'm really looking forward to continuing this journey, and I wanted to share this with everybody. This is props to you, a good testimonial just to say that I had a great time, and looking forward to bringing my new brand to the world.